Good morning this Wednesday, the 8th of March. I'm Grady Wolf, market analyst with Bell Direct. The ASX rallied 0.5% yesterday following the rate hike announcement out of the RBA as investor sentiment was boosted by hopes that the RBA is approaching the end of its tightening cycle. Every sector aside from materials stocks closed in the green yesterday. The winning stock yesterday by a mile was InvoCare, rocketing over 34% after the funeral company received a takeover offer from TPG Global at the value of $12.65 cash per share. TPG snapped up a 17.8% stake in InvoCare on Monday before issuing the takeover offer worth $1.8 billion. Overnight in Europe, markets closed lower as investors digested comments made by Fed Chair Jerome Powell in the US at his congressional testimony, where he warned interest rates are likely to be higher than central bank policymakers previously expected. Germany's DAX fell 0.6%, the French CAC lost 0.46%, and in the UK, the FTSE 100 closed 0.13% lower. Over in the US, local US investors also responded to Powell's comments around rates needing to go higher for longer. The Dow Jones fell 1.72% on Tuesday, the S&P 500 lost 1.53%, and the tech-heavy Nasdaq closed the day down 1.25%. Software giant Atlassian has announced it will lay off 500 full-time staff in a cost-cutting measure, just 6 months after co-founder Scott Farquhar went on a hiring spree. Meta, the parent company of Facebook and Instagram, also announced a fresh round of layoffs to come yesterday in order to meet financial targets. On the commodities front this morning, oil is trading more than 3% lower at $77.94 a barrel. Gold is down 1.54% at $1,818 an ounce, and iron ore is down almost 2% at $126.50 a tonne. Ahead of the local trading session here in Australia, the SPI futures are anticipating the ASX to open 1% lower or around 1% lower on the back of that turbulent session on Wall Street overnight. Stocks going ex-dividend today include Costa Group, Woodside Energy, Brambles, Super Retail Group and Blackmores. If you've been thinking about these stocks, it might be worth considering buying in today, as stocks going ex-dividend generally trade lower on the ex-dividend date. The Australian dollar is buying 66 US cents, 90.29 Japanese yen, 56.19 British pence, and 1 New Zealand dollar and 8 cents. And now let's dive into some trading ideas for your consideration today. Bell Potter has downgraded its rating on Eagers Automotive from buy to hold, but has increased its price target from $15 flat to $15.25. The price target increase is driven by sales of Chinese electric vehicle company BYD being greater than anticipated. However, the downgrade to a hold is based on uncertainty around what, if any, extra provisioning must be taken around Scott's going into administration and a potential easing in demand due to higher interest rates. And Trading Central has identified a bullish signal on Endeavour Group following the formation of a pattern over a period of 15 days, which is roughly the same amount of time the share price may rise from the close of $6.72 to the range of $7.25 to $7.40, according to standard principles of technical analysis. And that's all we have time for today. Have a wonderful Wednesday, and as always, happy investing.